Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add someone to a conversation in Slack. There are two main ways to add someone in a conversation in Slack: adding them to a direct message or adding them to channel. Here's a breakdown of both of the method. First of all, open your Slack application. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From there, go to the channel in which you want to add someone, and from here you can see a profile icon. Click on it, and from there you can add people. And in other way, you can see direct message option, and here you can see add coworker. Click to add coworker and enter their Gmail, and they will be added to your DM. This is how you can add someone to a conversation in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.